You don't get results by focusing on results. You get results by focusing on the actions that process your results. It is correctly said by a great entrepreneur, Mike Hawkins. Before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please like and subscribe my channel. So on this pleasant day, I will be talking on the topic of don't focus on result, focus on the process. You should never focus on the achievement. By the way, focus how you have achieved that success. If you put all your happiness and energy just focusing on the final result while ignoring the process, you will never walk away fulfilled because your happiness will rely on it. Acha, I will narrate you an incident which happens with all of us for your better understanding. Before exams, we study a lot, a day and night, as tomorrow is our maths paper, SST paper, etc. in that go. On the next day, when we reach the examination hall, we think that we are prepared for today's exam and think that I will score out of. Okay, I gave my exams and just my paper got over. We think that chalo ye ek exam to ho gaya. When the examinee comes for the collection of paper, so we start shouting, "Sir, ma'am, please take our paper. Sir, please take our paper. Sir, ma'am, please take our first paper." Okay, after giving the paper, we start discussing among each other like तूने इसका क्या आंसर लिखा, तूने कैसे उसको सॉल्व किया, all that. We go to our homes and we meet our parents. So our parents ask, was the paper, what type of questions came, and we say that paper was easy, I attempted each and every question, I will get full marks. Then the time goes up and finally the day comes for our result. Then when we leave our home, so first we pray that our results comes in our favor. When the results comes in our hand, so first we will see the marks. If we got good marks, and so we start jumping that we got good marks. If we not score good marks, then we got tension that marks are not good, what I will say to our parents. And when we tell about this to our parents, so our parents also got upset, we also got upset, and that is the problem that happens all of the time. On the next day we think that कोई बात नहीं, इस बार तो नहीं हो पाया, अगली बार मैं और अच्छा कर लूँगा and all that, and then we forget about it. And this scenario happens with all of us, every one of us, and in that everyone I'm also one of them, because I also do like this only. Acha, this happens with all of us, and we never focus on what mistakes we have done, what type of issues or what type of mistakes I have done in this exam that I have to overcome in the next exam, but we don't focus on that. We just focus that results आ गया, चलो इसको भेज देंगे, चलो उसको भेज देंगे. We start comparing between our friends and our that देखो मेरे को 20 marks का आ गया, मेरे को 60 marks आ गया, and all that. And that is a problem that we make every time. Books are also good to understand it more clearly. I refer you a book to understand more clearly. I say that you should read this book, My Philosophy on Coaching, The Score Takes Care of Itself. And it is written by an NFL coach, Bill Walsh, where he describes his journey. He didn't focus on the goal of winning games on championship, but instead focus on getting better in every game and ensuring every player to play well with high level of accuracy. If we want to succeed as success, so we should be aware of this mantra. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Goals and intentions are great, but it is only the beginning. To be successful, leaders must have recognized that goal setting is only a small first step towards success. Second, identify small quantifiable steps of progress towards the outcome. To be successful in career, or every successful person focus on the solution. Focusing on the problem rarely helps matter. Instead, it also wastes your time and energy as you go over and repeatedly in your mind. So as a conclusion, I will say you must to start to focus your energy on the system and the process. Thank you for watching my channel, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.